So you have a Fitbit Inspire 1, 2, or the HR, and you have an issue where the screen is just frozen. Maybe you just started some kind of exercise, all of a sudden it's frozen and you can't restart anything like that. I'm going to show you how to get out of it. Okay, so very simple. So first thing you got to do is go ahead and grab your charger, and you got to make sure that it's plugged in correctly. Make sure the pins match the pins right here. So go ahead and clamp that on there. Oops, let me make sure it's in there, and when you pop it on, you should hear it vibrate, okay? Now that it's on, it's actually charging. What I want you to do is hold the sides here, press and hold. I just felt it vibrate, and just keep holding. Do not let go until we see a smiley face. So I'm still holding. Let's pretend it was frozen. Okay, I'm still holding here. I'm not gonna let go, waiting for a smiley face to pop up. Still holding the button. There it is. Go ahead and let go, and you should be up and running. If this didn't work for you the first time, try it 3, 4, 5 more times. Okay, basically you're just force restarting it. So pretty simple. Good luck, guys.